Assalamu alaikum. My name is Uzma and today I'm here at Dr. Shafaq's clinic, The Lemonade. I was here just a few days ago for my HydraFacial. और ये मेरा second experience था HydraFacial का, and I had such an amazing experience that I'm just forced to, share my feedback because I'm sure there are a lot of girls out there who hesitate, just like I was so hesitant. Okay, obviously, skin ka mamla, you need to be sure that you're in the right hands, and on top of that, being in the right hands, another thing that you really want to look into is the hygiene factor. So when this HydraFacial newly came out, uski ek bahut badi hype thi, and it was just like it just sounded like magic. And unfortunately, mera pehla experience, jahan se maine pehle karwaya tha, I wasn't so satisfied. There was not much of a difference, rather any difference on my skin. And then a few months down the line, obviously I was feeling that I was a bit tan, and meri skin jo hai bahut dull si ho rahi thi. And I came across Dr. Shafaq's page on Instagram. And I saw a lot of positive reviews, and I was then again tempted to come and pay a visit. And aane se pehle maine inko pehle phone pe raabta kiya, and the best part was that the response was instant. I mean, I remember my journey jab main pehle ye cheez search kar rahi thi, maine 2-3 cheezein jo hain down shortlist ki thi, but it's just so difficult to get a hold of anybody. Pehle to aapko किसी से बात नहीं हो सकती, और फिर जब होती है, it's just somebody who doesn't even know what they're talking about. So the best thing about this place that I felt was when I came in, it wasn't just like a HydraFacial and they, लिटा देते और procedure शुरू करते हैं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. Dr. Shafaq herself gave a consultation. She came and tested and assessed my skin. And मैं तो इतनी चीज़ें लाई थी कि मैं ये भी करवाऊँगी, and I want to do this and I want to do this because I have this function coming up, and I just wanted to, just have this, knock 10 years off my age. So the best part about Dr. Shafaq was the time she invested in me and the patience she instilled. वो आजकल आपको आप देखें कोई डॉक्टर नहीं करता. And the honesty that she gave was something that really won my heart, क्योंकि आजकल everybody is just out there to mint money. But मैं जो चीज़ कह रही थी वो मुझे साथ साथ गाइड करी थी कि आपकी स्किन को इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. We had a very long discussion, and I am still recovering. I still have some patches, but I feel a difference because I've seen my before and after, and I'm loving this. I feel so much fresh, and ज़्यादा खुशी तब होती है जब आप एक ट्रीटमेंट कराते हैं और आप किसी के पास जाते हैं और वो खुद आपसे पूछता है कि you're looking nice or you're looking fresh. That's when you know that your money was well invested. And यहाँ पे कोई चीज़ छुपी नहीं थी. अगर मैं कंपेयर करूँ अपने प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस से, तो वो बॉटल्स में जो था वो था we don't have so much knowledge. यहाँ पे I came prepared this time, and I did do my research, and everything was out in the open. And वो मेरे सामने बॉटल्स में उन्होंने वो सारे refills किए, and she was guiding me step by step. किस स्टेप पे आपको स्टिंग करेगा, कहाँ पे आपको prickling feel होगी, कहाँ पे आपको जलन फील होगी, वो सारी चीज़ें जब आपको साथ साथ आपको डॉक्टर एक्सप्लेन करता है ना, so that's just great. You're in the right hands. You're in somebody's hands who's actually, genuinely looking after you and doing your treatment. So the best experience ever. I mean, I'm here again to get another hair treatment. That's how happy I am. So girls, don't hesitate, and please don't waste your time. Please do visit Dr. Shafaq, and I'm sure you'll love the experience.